Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download After Effects for motion graphics client work, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Adobe website at adobe.com. Navigate to the Creative Cloud section of the site. Locate the download option for Adobe After Effects. Click on Free Trial to explore the software before purchasing. Sign in to your Adobe account or create a new one if you don't have an account. After signing in, select your preferred plan for After Effects. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information if you choose a paid plan. Once your plan is confirmed, the Creative Cloud application will start downloading. After the download is complete, open the Creative Cloud installer. Sign in again with your Adobe account within the Creative Cloud app. In the Creative Cloud interface, find After Effects in the list of available applications. Click Install next to After Effects to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once installed, find After Effects in your applications list. Open After Effects and go through the initial setup process. Familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available in After Effects. Start with a sample project or tutorial to get comfortable with motion graphics creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.